Firstly, we need to enter the Python website to download the official version of Python 3.30. Just the latest stable version is okay. As we can see here, just need to click the download button. Then we enter the specific version page. We just need to scroll down. Because I'm currently using MacBook Air, so I just download the macOS version of this Python. Okay, it's very fast. My network is very fast. So we open the installer. At the introduction section, we can see that here is a new information for 3.13. This version contains a special build without GIL. Let's click continue to try it out. The README section, I already read it, so let's continue. And the lessons, just agree the lessons, of course. And in the installation tab, we need to click the customize button and tick the free threaded Python. By default, this option is not checked. If we're gonna try the No-GIL Python, we need to tick this option and just install it. It's gonna be very quick because I'm using Mac. It's gonna be faster than Windows. Oh, it's already done. And we just double click the install certifications. This one just to help us install the SSL certifications to use Python. Now we finished the installation process. Let's try the new Python we just installed. On the terminal, just type in Python 3.13. We can see here is the standard version Python 3.30. And if we type in Python 3.13t, this is the experimental version of No-GIL Python. So it looks like we got what we want now. Let's try it. Here I opened two terminal windows. One window I just used standard Python, and another window I just used No-GIL Python. Firstly, let's check if the No-GIL Python is really disabled the GIL. As you can see here, when I print out the PyGIL disabled, the left window prints 0, but the right window prints 1. It means the right window is currently running a No-GIL version Python. Now let's use an example program to test the performance of GIL and No-GIL Python. Here is a CPU-bound task which is going to use lots of computing resources, and we run 4 threads. In theory, the No-GIL Python is gonna much faster than the standard Python for running this program because it can really do multi-threading. Okay, now let's use different Python builds to run this program to see the result. The left one is just the standard Python. It seems we need to wait a few seconds here. It's still running, and running. Oh, it's got the result. It's 13.44 seconds. Not ideal, is it? Let's try it on the No-GIL version. It's gonna be much faster. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 5. Oh, it's just 3.73 seconds. That's a big performance boost. Welcome to the world of No-GIL Python.